we need to obtain informed consent for the insurance premium provided, including commissions. So if we don't have informed consent, we can't provide a gross policy, which means it can't be a policy that contains commission paid by the insurer. Okay, so if we don't have informed consent, we have to obtain a net policy. And if it's a net policy, there's no commissions, and all remuneration for the managing agent and the broker will need to be in the form of broker fees. And that's fairly standard at the moment across the industry sector. I'm sure all of you have got some of your schemes that are net rated schemes where potentially there might be large premiums, or specifically you have agency agreements that prohibit you obtaining commissions. So again, that's where David and I have got to work this through from a New South Wales perspective. But from that point of view, it's fairly simple that if we don't obtain informed consent, and we can't obtain it prior to renewal, we will just have to obtain net terms from all of the insurers and present them to clients. We're not forecasting a material change in remuneration. So this isn't about that the authorised representative can't be remunerated. And again, that's what David and I have got to work through. And this might be a little bit hard for you to see, but I just wanted to show you this is a live policy, one that was done by our office yesterday. You can see here, this is the SCA Best Practice Guide, and I've just cut the disclosure table out. You can see here that the base premium, second line down, has the base premium, and it says includes commissions if applicable. So that is the commission that's included by the insurer as part of the overall premium. Okay, so that just shows you very clearly there. And then you see the third, so it says broker fee, so it's about halfway down the page. You see the broker fee that is charged on top of the policy by the broker. And in this situation, it's a reasonably small broker fee. And then you get the total cost of insurance, okay, which is the bottom line just above that allocation of remuneration, which is the total premium and the total costs for broker fees and any other charges. So that's the total amount of the invoice that's billed to the owners corporation. And then the allocation of remuneration, as per the best practice guide, shows the strata manager, ex GST, so what they will receive as a proportion of payment out of this policy, and what the broker would receive. Now, again, that all follows the best practice guide. That's fairly standard. We've been using that now for more than 12 months. So if we go then to a net policy, this is exactly the same policy that is put in place. All you can see there is under the second line base premium, you can see the base premiums come down a little bit because it now does not include that 20% commission. Okay, so the base premium comes down. But what you can see there is all we've done is changed from that 20% that's received from the insurer, 100% of the income that's used to remunerate the strata managing agent and the broker is now a broker fee. And that's the standard way the industry looks at a net policy, is they will agree what the broker fee is and what the broker fee split is. And just for the purpose of this one, you see that it's exactly the same remuneration. And you can see that there's no real change in the total cost of the insurance. It's just no commission has been provided by the insurer. Therefore, it's going to be charged as a broker fee.